You've chosen an area that maybe a lot of people aren't aware of, especially down South Wales. But this is Prestatyn, this is the start of Offa's Dyke, and yeah, it's great for the league to be sort of promoted here in North Wales. I think the standards really improved over the last few years, and I think that's down to the coaches. The coaches are better, the managers are better, the coaches are being coached better on the badges, on the courses that they take. So, and I think the players that they're bringing in, obviously it raises their game, and the players that they're bringing in, they've got a better eye for them players that are coming in, and technically they're getting better.
It's definitely improving year on year. It's my 13th year now, and it's risen fantastically well. And the more work we're doing now, like events like this, will only promote the league.
I fi, Seinti newydd di tîm I dal, ond ar ôl yna mae'r gynnoedd yn cyffroes, mae fyny pawb I dal I fyny, ond mae di rhywun orffen yn ail neu trydydd a gorffen gwylod blwyddyn yma, so mi fydd hi'n anodd blwyddyn yma I pawb I dweud gwir.
Come out and watch it, even if you're on the area on holiday, just come out and watch a game or two. You know, there's Friday night games, Saturday games and Sunday games, so you know, all weekend it's happening. You just got to be in the right place.